And we are live. All right, I gotta tweet out the stream here. What's up? What's up, everyone? Hold on, I'm just trying to tweet it out real quick. What's up, Daniel? What's going on? Sebastian, Lucas, Pickle Rick, Bridget Curry, F and Josh, General Toast, KG, John Armstrong. What is up, fellas? Hold up. All right, there's my live stream. Okay. All right, just gonna get this tweeted out. And we're good. All right. Fellas, what's up? All right, so we got the daily close here in about an hour and 10 minutes. Yesterday, Bitcoin, like right after the daily close yesterday, dude, it ran up to like exactly 64K, and I was really paying close attention on TradingView. I'm like, okay, is this thing gonna barrel through and hit 65? But it kind of stopped there. So we're just gonna see again. I mean, as you guys know, Friday, end of the week. You know, we're heading into the weekend now, and yeah, typically weekends we don't really pump necessarily. I mean, sometimes for sure. But yeah, dude, this is where we're at now, man. Daily close. Yeah, yesterday, after the daily was closed, dude, freaking Bitcoin, it jumped up like 1,000 just real quick. It didn't hold though. But yeah, man. Spanky Boy says, after your TA vid, I'm expecting a dump. Let's be serious. This could possibly be worse than you going live. Really? Dude, technical analysis video, that's worse than me going live, huh? Worse than me going live. All right, never heard that one before. Glare Stifler, I felt it in my loins that you would stream. Yeah, dude, just a little Friday daily close stream. If we were pumping hard, I'd get the boost, but you know, we're not really pumping right now necessarily. But we're eyeing the daily formations here with XRP and Bitcoin. I might as well. Okay, yeah, I would go to some lower time frames, but we're just kind of watching the daily close, so I'm just gonna keep it on daily. It might look like, you know, we're watching paint dry, but only an hour left on the candle. All right, Daniel, XRP is gearing up. The triangle that starts all the way back to 2017 is getting really close to a breakout. We are right at the upper line. Dude, we're right there, man. We're right there. We're right. We need a little ignition, man. That's all we're waiting for. Just a little ignition, you know? Going hard stiff, I miss my king. I appreciate that, brother. I appreciate that. I feel like I had something to check on my phone. Did I? Hold up. What up, Cobb from Melbourne, Australia? My man, what's up, Mark? Let me see. Oh, I'm just checking some. Okay. All right. Yeah, so David came out today, started making some weird comments. He's like, "Oh, you know, I hold XRP. That's not the weird part, but he's like, oh, if I could do anything to make the price go up, I assure you that I would do it." It's like, well, you're CTO of Ripple. Yeah, David's like the one guy at Ripple that actually really opens up and like answers people's questions. He's like the only high level kind of executive position at Ripple where he just comes out publicly and he starts saying things, you know? Connor, I'm ready for these analysts to come true. It will, man. It will.
Alex, can you quote your famous live quote? Oh, we are live.
Dude, hey, Streamlabs is working? Dude, Mark Clark, thank you for the $5, man. Can you quote your famous live quote? I mean, I did that at the beginning of the stream, dude. And we are live. I really don't know where I got that from. I don't know. I just kind of started doing that. Daniel, lawsuit end perfectly timed for the end of the massive multi-year bull flag, and they say XRP isn't manipulated. Dude, I was just waiting for the XRP ETF, man. I'm really waiting for that, man. I'm really waiting for that. It's like the three biggest things I'm looking forward to: RLUSD going live, Bitcoin price discovery, and then an XRP BlackRock ETF. Because the thing is, if they just filed an ETF, man, dude, the market would be in such disbelief. Like, oh, how could this be? How could they do an XRP ETF? Well, I guess it is, a banker institutional coin. You know what I mean? I mean, dude, it would just totally, like, the market would be so, like, bamboozled if an XRP ETF got filed before any other coin as being the third ETF. I mean, they're already the XRP Trust with Grayscale. That's already back up. I mean, that was already, like, that existed. That was already a thing. But they liquidated it because of the lawsuit and stuff. Streamlabs is really working good today.
Cobb lives, baby.
Dude, KG, thank you for the 499, brother. Appreciate that. That's cool. That's cool. Like, you can, you guys can smash the likes on the super chats and reply to them. I'm digging that. Because, like, before I got, demonetized for 3 months, I didn't have the reply to super chat feature. But since I got, suspended and it brought back, now I got the feature that I was wanting. But, I mean, it did cost, like, 3 months of no monetization. But I'm glad we have the features now. And then, surprisingly, Streamlabs is, like, on its game today. Usually, like, if if KG super chat comes in, it probably takes Streamlabs probably a good 2-3 minutes to pop up. But now it's like Streamlabs is popping up the same time the super chats are coming in. So this is just, I don't know, maybe getting demonetized and coming back. It's like, I feel like I'm getting more features and, like, things are starting to, like, work properly with the software and stuff. I don't know. Prana TRD Pro is going to be back to XRP TRD Pro in a couple weeks. I'm calling it right now. Yeah, dude, he's gotten pretty salty recently, but I mean, I get it. I'm not going to say I don't understand, but yeah, he literally, dude, the last liquidation event, bro, he literally took XRP out of his name. Oh my God, dude. It's too funny. It's too funny, bro. XRP ETF is going to go crazy. I'm so hyped, bro. That's kind of one of the biggest things I'm looking for. Like, one of the biggest things I'm looking for, especially BlackRock. Because, dude, when we had the fake BlackRock XRP filing, man, the fake one, okay, on the Delaware government website, the state of Delaware, like, SEC website or something. Dude, there was XRP filing. It was right up in there. And, bro, it sent XRP from, like, mid-50s to 75 cents in probably 10 minutes, bro. And that was the fake one, bro. The fake one. Okay, the fake ETF. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Shauna tells Zamwar, Alex, you go live and price crashes, destroy our future. What a tragedy. It has not gone down since I went live. It's stayed the same price, okay? Who's watching the BitBoy fight? I mean, I don't know. Is BitBoy just... That's his main thing now, is just doing influencer fights. He's going to fight Ansem. And then, I don't know if you guys saw, but Crypto Bitlord, you, like, confronted Ansem at the influencer fighting event, bro. It's, like, all over Twitter, man. It's too funny. Daniel. I'm looking at a double-digit XRP this run. That's what we're... I mean, it has to. If we do see Bitcoin 150K plus, I mean, you're just not even XRP, just every altcoin just has these insane, like, parabolic moves, Patsy G, Alex, what's your DCA price? I always wanted to ask. I don't know my true DCA, but majority of my buys are 20 cents, 23 cents, 17, 18 cents. So I'm like, I have made a couple decent sized XRP buys at like 29, 30, 32 cents, but I'm mostly, all my money's in at like $0.25, basically. Bitboy's gonna have to take some notes from Mike Tyson because the other dude is like 8 inches taller than he is. Yeah, that other dude. If you guys don't know, the guy that like Bitboy like did the posing picture with for a fight. That guy, his claim to fame is he called Solana like really early. Like when Solana was like a couple dollars, he was like, that guy's like the Alex Cobb of Solana or something. But I mean, his coin actually pumped really hard. Solana was just the most weird market anomaly I've ever seen. Because Solana went 10x during a bear market, bro. A bear market after the FTX explosion. And then the whole thing was like, oh, well, FTX, they have like a boatload of Solana. Like FTX holds like a lot, still to this day, has like a lot of the Solana supply. And people were thinking, oh, dude, this thing's going to get wrecked just like FTT. But no, that thing like did 10x plus in a bear market, dude. No, I've never, dude, for a coin to run up into top 10 like that, I mean, when everything was going down, it was weird. That was weird. What's good, Cobb Crew? What's up, hands loaded? Daniel, the flippeting. Dude, the true number 2 coming back. Fighting a guy on cocaine is the worst. Is it? AOC simp almost suspicious. It's bro. Now, like, look at where Solana had its first major like breakout point from like $10 to 200. I mean, bro, like a lot of that move was in a bear market. It's really weird. It's really weird. Solana, same shit as Ethereum. I mean, it's effectively like there's a lot of Ethereum wannabes in the market. Like there's a lot of blockchains, layer 1 blockchains, they come out and they're basically like they just are trying to eat Ethereum's lunch. You know? So I don't know. Because of Solana's success, I wouldn't call it like a wannabe Ethereum, but that's kind of, you know, for me in the same pool of like you know, Cardano, Avalanche, Terra Luna. They're just like these like trying to like, oh, hey, we have NFTs. Oh, hey, you can deploy tokens on our network. Like it's just these kind of wannabe Ethereum coins. You know, and Solana has been the best so far. But one thing I will tell you guys, again, it's not financial advice, but I really wouldn't recommend like bag holding Solana. Because if you take a look at their distribution paperwork, bro, like the VCs that got in super early, like really, really early in the Solana Foundation. And apparently like the head guy of Solana, he's in custody right now with some country. He's like arrested. That's what I've heard. But dude, Solana has like max supply infinity. And within like the last year, the Solana supply has inflated by like 10%. Now you can come back and say the same thing. Oh, well, you know, XRP supply is inflating. Well, yeah, the circulating supply is. But there is a total max supply cap on XRP where it's like all the XRP in existence, that's all that's ever going to exist, and not a singular drop will ever be minted or created or issued. Because, yeah, you can go like, oh, well, God, look, XRP supply doubled over the last, like, you know, 6-7 years. Well, it's like, okay, yeah, true. But we do have a finite supply. We do have a finite supply that also happens to be deflationary, you know. But it's like Solana is like, it's totally, dude, it's max supply infinity. And if you look at like a graph of how much Solana these VCs like issue to themselves, bro, it's crazy, man. Because just recently, dude, Solana hit all-time high market cap, but it wasn't like anywhere near all-time high price because they have really, really big inflation on their blockchain. And I don't know, I've heard it's just like the VCs that got in early and they have like a big stake in the ecosystem, they kind of like issue it to themselves essentially, but it runs on like a schedule. And if you look at Solana, bro, like the next upcoming like 365 days, dude, they have like so much Solana that's going to be poured into the supply and created. Like, so I don't know, man. And then Ethereum is like, I wouldn't say the same, but it's kind of similar where it's like some years Ethereum can be deflationary. Some years it's inflationary, but I don't know, man. I'm just telling you, look at the top 10 coins from 6-7 years ago. Look at the top 10 coins today. The only similarity you have is like XRP and Bitcoin. Okay. But yeah, that's so top 10. So it's like if you look at a coin and you're like, "Oh, well, it's a top 10 coin today." Well, it's not like that forever, man. Cuz remember like, you know, BitConnect, SafeMoon, dude, they were like in the top 5 at some point or like top 7, bro. Like BitConnect got to like the 3rd largest crypto behind XRP back in the day. Terra Luna freaking I think got to number 3 or number 4. And then I don't know, the top 10 is like, I feel like people just kind of look at them and go like, okay, well, this is always going to be like a major, you know, titan of industry coin. But it's like, no, dude, top 10, bro, coins come and go. But there's been 2 coins that have always stayed there, which has been Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Other than that, it's a variable. It constantly changes. You know. Congrats on remonetization, dude. Appreciate that, Nev. All right, XRP is down 0.1% since the start of the stream. Okay. Philip, anybody seen a place to long XRP for people in the United States? All right, Philip, so I'm not going to give you financial advice. I can't. I'm not giving you any advising on what to do or anything. But the only way I know of U.S. residents to leverage trade crypto is you're basically using offshore platforms that also are banning U.S. customers, and you kind of have to VPN into them. But if you ever log in without the VPN one time, they'll ban you right there and take all your funds. Right? I believe you can get your funds back, but it's gonna be like pulling teeth. It's gonna be hard to get it back. But I mean, you could leverage trade Forex. You could leverage trade like Forex or something legally. But yeah, in the United States, man, like, yeah, like if you're super deep in the crypto ecosystem, like, dude, it's like being in the United States, like you really cannot use that many platforms. Like, bro, we are literally banned from Binance. Okay, U.S. residents, we're banned from using Binance, one of the largest liquidity hubs for crypto in the world, and we can't use it. Like literally, bro. Binance, doc. They have like the most coins out of like any exchange. The thickest liquidity available, bro. And we can't access it. BitMEX, it's like the thickest liquidity for Bitcoin leverage like futures and shit. Can't use it. But again, now you can make accounts, you can VPN off like you could do like a Colombia, Guatemala, Mexico VPN, and you can get in there. But I mean, if you get caught, it's just, they really won't give you your money back. Rob Dottie, but I thought America was the land of the free. I don't know about that anymore, dude. I mean, we can't access like any like massive exchanges, any massive platforms for crypto liquidity. We can't access it. And of course, yeah, you have like Coinbase, Kraken, yeah, but you're just buying spot. Like you can't leverage trade, dude. Yo, Navrelin with the 1.69 New Zealand dollar, brother. Appreciate it. Yo, Philip.
Yeah, want a long XRP.
Yeah, bro, but like just I think you're better off just accumulating as much spot coins as you can because man, Philip, leverage, bro. Because when you're trading leverage, man, it's like your own slot machine and you can like customize it to the furthest extent. You can just customize everything about the machine, about the slot machine. And if it goes against you, bro, those liquidation emails, man, they hurt, dude. They hurt. But I get it. Yeah, you want to long XRP, you want to put up some money, do like a 5-10x leverage and, let it ride. But just 5x? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, bro. I would honestly advise just accumulating spot, but because that's the problem is like if you hold a 5x leverage position and you hold that for like months, bro, it's like every 4-6 hours the exchange takes like interest out of your position. So I mean, bro, leverage is really like it's more of a gambling thing, dude. Because you could take $1,000, you could 100x it on Bitcoin or 125x even on some places. And if it goes in your favor and Bitcoin pumps, bro, you'll have like 70 grand or something crazy like that. But if Bitcoin goes down like 0.1%, you're gone. Like that's all your money's gone. It's a crazy game. It's a crazy game, I mean, it's definitely fun. It's definitely like exhilarating, but it's a double-edged sword. And it's like the sword facing you is like a little bit longer than the opposing sword, if that makes sense. Coffee and crypto, Hotcoin and BitUnix, no VPN required and leverage up to 150x on Bitcoin and 50x on XRP. Right, so it's offshore exchange. They're not going to ask you any information. I mean that is a way you could do it theoretically, right? Hans Loaded, always wondered, do you get recognized in public by viewers, fans, and if so, how do you deal with it? Dude, I'm not that big on the internet, bro. I don't get, dude, I can go out in public and no one knows who I am. No, I'm good. But there has been like two occasions, only two times, bro. Only two times I got recognized in public. One time, it was just a guy that like came in the chat and said, "Hey, I saw you in the Gangnam Station wearing a purple shirt," and I'm like, "Oh yeah, you did see me." And then one time I was at a car dealership and like the manager there like got my name off of a credit application because I was interested in this one car they had. Didn't end up getting it, but yeah, the manager comes out and shakes my hand. He's like, "Oh, I saw Alex Cobb on the paperwork." I'm like, "Well, wait a sec, I know who that is." So I actually got recognized like one time. Yeah, I'm really like I'm not that big on the internet. Not to the point where it's like I have to worry about. Yeah, I've so legitimately been recognized one time, like one time in public. That's it. Sid City, what's going on? We mooning yet? Nah, we're daily closing over here. We got the close in 50 minutes. Mark Clark, Alex, can you give us some of your best buy-in positioning, please? Not financial advice and all that, buddy. Cheers. What do you mean, Best Buy? Like the retail store? I like Best Buy, yeah. No, your best buy-in positioning? I don't know, bro. I don't know. How's your hair growth? Dude, if I actually like wash my hair right now and dried it, I think I legitimately have like OG Cobb hair. It's pretty long now. It's actually like right back to, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's pretty long now. Mark Clark, show examples and charts. Dude, nah, because I don't like, I don't know. Because I don't like look at coins and like make buys based off of the charts. I only freaking buy XRP, bro. And I just buy when XRP goes way, way low on a liquidation event. That's all I do. So really, that's the only way I've bought XRP. It's just when it goes super, super low and it gets like, whole market's getting liquidated, I just scoop up the discounts, you know? I don't really like trade and like make really, really specific entries and exits. I really can't even, yeah, I don't know, man. All right. Bitcoin 63K. What's the general market doing right now? I haven't even checked. Let's see here. Okay, so oh my God, Solana's almost back to 150. So Solana's up like 3% today. Ethereum's up 3% today. You got Bitcoin up 0.2, XRP down 0.2, Dogecoin up 0.2. Huh. Oh yeah, breaking consensus lawsuit against SEC and Gary Gensler dismissed by the court. Methyl Nelson, not everyone who recognizes you will approach you, so you never know. Huh. That's a good point. Have you noticed how XRP bounced around 0.589 this past week? Kind of funny. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I've been kind of right about where it's been, yeah. Stony 1187, guess where I store my ledger? Where the sun don't shine, brother. William N.L., yeah, some will stalk you. I mean, I've never had, knock on wood, never had any problems with that. I don't even think, dude, like the vast majority of people have no clue what XRP even is, bro. You know? Cobb, do you think we'll go sideways till SEC date closes in 2 weeks? So we're 17 days away from SEC appeal date. I think once we're a couple days away, I think the market's going to start to price in that, yeah, like there's not going to be an appeal. You know? Because, I mean, dude, we're already, we're like 73 days in the appeal window with nothing from the SEC. So I'm just saying, I mean, once we get kind of like a week away, 4 or 5 days away, I mean, I feel like the market's going to start to kind of price that in. And then I'm expecting Bitcoin, dude. Bitcoin's going to start ripping, bro. Because remember, like, September was supposed to be, like, it's like a historically, like, bearish month for Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin's been doing nothing but ripping since about September 7th, 8th. It's been ripping since then. And I don't think Bitcoin's going to stop here. That's why we're doing a daily close streak today, because I'm trying to see where XRP and Bitcoin are going to close. And then after that, leading into the, Saturday, Sunday candles, how that's going to play out. Yo, Merlin.
My wife likes to see how many drinks Cobb can get through on pump nights. Welcome back to monetization, Cobb.
Dude, bro, you're the 499, man. Wait, your wife likes to see how many drinks I can get through on pump nights, dude? Oh, man, dude. Yeah, that's the thing. Like on a Friday like today, bro, I would totally have like a booze stream, but I mean, if we're down 0.12%, it's like it's nothing to get drunk over. But yeah, I love doing that, dude. Getting drunk watching a pump, dude, it's the best. It's like my most favorite thing to do in this whole world. Kyle's gonna get a 6-pack of Coors right now. Nah, dude. No, I kind of off stream a lot. I've been hitting some Coors and some soju and stuff. So I'm kind of taking a little break right now. I used to get drunk with you, Cobb. Yeah, Connor? I mean, dude, if we could get back to some good prices, man, like I'll totally, bro, be hitting the tall boys on stream, the tall cans. Since we're not pumping, I'm doing some green tea, right? October always pumps. I know, I hear everyone talking about like Uptober and stuff. Oh yeah, so apparently so the SEC is sanctioning Elon Musk in the X probe. Yeah, breaking news. U.S. government is officially targeting Elon Musk. The SEC will sanction Elon Musk in its Twitter acquisition probe. So yeah. So it seems, if the SEC, they're going after Elon Musk, it means like their plate's kind of full right now and they don't have time to do an appeal. So, I'll take that. But no, I really do respect what Elon did with Twitter, bro. Because, like, at first, I didn't like when he first bought it because the algorithm was kind of off and just kind of, like, only showing me, like, viral account posts, which is not what I use Twitter for. But it's gotten much better since then, and oh my god, dude, you legitimately have like complete free speech. Like it's actually quite nice to see. So like the government like supports Elon on like all of his ventures until he goes for free speech. Then they're coming after him. It's kind of funny how that works. And then it's crazy how like Zuckerberg has all of a sudden like become based. Have you guys noticed that? Like, Zuckerberg looks like normal now, and he's getting all base. He's actually, like, growing his hair out. He has, like, he's actually starting to, like, look good. Like, he's starting to look better. And he did, like, the 4th of July, like, surfing with a beer in his hand and stuff with the American flag. And then Zuckerberg's coming out, and he's saying, like, oh, yeah, this administration, they kind of did, like, force us to do a lot of things. They kind of forced us to censor stuff on our platform. Like, he's getting, like, based all of a sudden, bro. It's weird. The money I no longer spend on booze is now used to buy more XRP? Dude, exactly. Pump night, Samyang 3X spicy chicken ramen noodle challenge. I can't do those, bro. Now, I've done like Bulldog 2X a couple times, and oh my god, dude. It's like, it feels like you're eating like glass shards. That's what it feels like. That's how spicy it is. Like, you don't get any flavor. Is there flavoring in the seasoning? I mean, probably, but it just feels like you're eating glass. KD King Crypto Pump, LOL, I swear I seen you streaming the same 58 to 60 cents for the past 6 months. I know, brother. I know. Yeah, I know. Haven't drank all this month, taking a break as well. Yeah. Yeah, a couple weeks ago, I was getting kind of hammered, like, night after night. Just playing video games and shit, going out doing stuff. When's the BOA announcement, Cobb? No clue, man. No clue. But now the lawsuit is effectively over. You know, Ripple can start coming into a position of making announcements to the market, right? 17 days till the appeal window closes, fellas. All right, on that last day, I will be streaming to 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because all that lawsuit and SEC shit, all that's East Coast, right? So, yeah, October 6th. Or wait, if the appeal window closes on October 7th, does that mean the appeal opportunity ends on 11:59 p.m. October 6th or 11:59 p.m. October 7th? Because wouldn't October 7th technically be like the last day that it's possible? I don't know. Whatever like ends up being like the final last day, we'll do a marathon stream. We're going to get the booze, dude. We're going to stream all the way until midnight on the East Coast time. And then we'll officially have that as like, okay, lawsuit's over, guys. You know. Hey, what the fuck? Wait, didn't Brad say a couple weeks ago that RLUSD is weeks away? Where the frick is it, man? Need RLUSD live, because they keep like Ripple keeps issuing like really small amounts of RLUSD then burning it. Like I guess they're just kind of doing some final like mainnet like stress testing, just making sure they can issue and burn and stuff like that. Yo, what's up, Babs? October 6th, 11:59 p.m. But I heard Friday since SEC don't work on weekends. Okay. I mean, if we just think realistically about it, I mean, yeah, the last minute stuff with the SEC, I get that, but we're 73 days in. I feel like they would have done something already. But again, you know, there's still that remaining time where, I mean, they really wanted to, they could do it. But I mean, now they're going after Elon Musk and Twitter, which is a whole $44 billion acquisition probe they're doing. So maybe they got their plate full right now and they're just like, whatever. We'll take the 125 mil on to the next, you know? Yeah, Brad did. Yeah, Brad said RLUSD like weeks away. Oh, and then I don't know if you guys noticed in the background over there. Yeah, it's my new bed frame. Because for a while I've been doing just like the mattress on the floor stuff, and I've just been kind of getting tired of it, like sleeping so low on the ground. So now I can actually like prop up the bed. I can like store stuff under it. It kind of brings me up to a level where I can kind of treat this like a TV for my room and stuff. But yeah, I gotta get this. I'm gonna set this up actually right after stream. Looks like it's probably gonna take about a solid like 45 minutes to set this up. But it's a nice bed frame though. They're not going to appeal. Surely hope not. And I think Ripple is very, very smart in escrowing the 125 mil for like 30 days after the appeal date, just to like really, really make sure that like, okay, we're not going to pay you 125 and then, you know, you appeal and you still have the money. Like, so we're going to hold this until we know for sure when it's done. So it's really good by them. Man, when did Brad say he was I mean, he said RLUSD weeks away. RLUSD is weeks away, and I feel like that was a couple of weeks ago. So where's it at, dude? Bab's memory foam, bruh. I use like a 24-inch memory foam mattress. I don't have a memory foam mattress, but I do have like a 3-4 inch memory foam on top. I mean, I've always had memory foam toppers. Just too good, man. Too good. They will ask for an extension. But the judge could deny that, though. That's the thing. Because if you think about like the grand scheme of the entire lawsuit, there's been many times the SEC has requested something and the judge like overturned it. And do you guys remember that one time where like the court was asking SEC to produce like the Hinman documents in the emails, and the SEC was like, no, we deny, we're not doing that. And then like the judge said, no, I am overturning your denial. You are going to produce those documents. Like, so there's been many times where the SEC has wanted certain things and they've been struck down. Alex, you have another apartment? Or are you back in the OG room? Oh no, this is not the OG room. No, this is another apartment. I don't know, bro. I don't know how my generation's gonna end up into home ownership, dude. It's getting crazy back there. It's getting crazy with the freaking home prices here on the West Coast, man. So it's like everything's $1 million home now. Oh. So do you guys know the YouTube channel of India's Supreme Court got hacked on Friday, I believe today. The channel, which otherwise streams court cases for viewers in the press, showed videos promoting XRP, dude. So fucking, bro, like one of the XRP army. I'm not promoting hacking into accounts, but they hacked the India's Supreme Court YouTube channel and started streaming like promoting XRP videos. And now I'm wondering if it's promoting like an XRP giveaway scam. That's typically why they hack channels in the first place. But yeah, they just uploaded like just promoting XRP itself or something. It's kind of funny. And you could, and the Crypto Eddie posted a clip of like, you know, they're mentioning Ripple and XRP on like the India like state media and stuff. So I don't know. Jeff Petit, they're probably waiting for Swell to announce RLUSD. I mean, I think they would have RLUSD live prior to Swell. Oh yeah. Oh my God. When is Swell? XRP scammer videos, I hear. Okay. Because CoinDesk is saying promoting XRP, but I mean, the only reason you would hack a YouTube channel and do the effort in doing that is so that you could do a scam giveaway stream and make money that way. Okay, Ripple Swell's Miami, right? Ripple Swell 2024. I think it's Miami, October 15th to 16th. And you guys know, as I usually do, and I'll do like my, you know, the 2-day, like the big like Swell marathon streams, getting all the information and news and stuff. I haven't even checked at the lineup of who's speaking. Let me see. Or do they even have that yet? Like the agenda? Ripple Swell 2024. Miami. Miami, huh? Featured speakers: Brad Garlinghouse, CEO Ripple. Adrienne Harris, Superintendent, New York State Department of Financial Services. Dang, okay. Sheila Bair, former chair of the FDIC and founding chair of Systemic Risk Council. Francisco Maroto, global head of blockchain digital assets at BBVA. I believe that's a Spanish bank. Doesn't it usually pump pre-Swell? Yeah, typically, yeah. Chief Security Officer, Coinbase, going to speak at Swell. Yo, Senior Managing Director, Global Head of Equities, FX, and Alternative Products of the CME Group. Yo, Tim McCourt, Senior Managing Director at the CME Group. And you guys know what happened is the CME Group, they listed, they didn't like list XRP necessarily, but they started providing like institutional grade, like real-time price tracking for XRP, which is, I believe you're going to kind of need to have that before an ETF. So yeah, that was pretty cool. That's what CME Group did right after the lawsuit was finished, or no, before the lawsuit was finished. Yeah, CME Group. Because there's a thing, it's like obviously, like, okay, me and you, we can go to tradingview.com. We can look at, oh, what's the price of XRP right now? But there's like some, with the CME Group listing, there's something else though, where it's like super, super high, like real time, like API where they can like link it to financial institutions can like link to it. And I mean, they're getting like real time data. Because like when we see like a pump on TradingView, I mean, we're not getting it like the exact moment it happens. We're getting it at about like I think like a 1 second delay maybe or something like that. But these institutions, I mean, they want like it's like, the institutional level tracking, if that makes sense. And I think there's other aspects of it too, like liquidity and shit like that. Babs, man, the SEC appeal ending in your TA theory. Yeah, we discovered that yesterday on stream, Babs. Yeah, you were there, dude. Like, that weekly chart is repeating itself. And at both of those same times that I'm mentioning, you have Bitcoin, like, slightly lower than all-time high. It's, dude, like, we're there, bro. All right, who else is speaking? Monica Long, guy from Revolut, someone from Leap Bank, Bitwise Asset Management, MoonPay, Blockchain Association, Stored Alderty, 2TM, Holding of Mercado Bitcoin, Crypto.com, Kraken, Pantera Capital, Bloomberg Intelligence, Chamber of Progress, Chief Compliance Officer at Ripple, Metropolitan Capital, Securitize, Visa. Oh, Senior Director at Visa. Okay. Another guy from Ripple, another guy from something I've never heard of before, Northern Trust, Gemini, Ripple again, Arcax, Ripple, One Money, Ripple, Stripe, Grayscale. Dude, I mean, yeah, we got some heavy hitters talking this time. Agenda, welcome reception, morning keynote, regulatory fireside chat, exploring the growing stablecoin market. Yeah, dude, RLUSD is going to be live before Swell. It'll be live before Swell. Yo, my man, Chris, we doing something tonight? Daily close. Oh, yo. So day one of Swell, 3:15 to 3:50 p.m. Talking stock crypto ETFs. Yo. Powered by Bloomberg, this session will discuss the evolving role of ETFs in the investment world and explore their future impact on market dynamics and portfolio strategies. And you're going to have the fucking CME group, Tim McCourt, talking about it. So there's going to be 3 speakers. Senior ETF Analyst, Bloomberg Intelligence, Chief Executive Officer, Bitwise Asset Management, and then Tim McCourt, Senior Managing Director, CME Group, talking stock crypto ETFs at Ripple Swell, huh? Dude, I don't think they've had a dedicated ETF panel before. Day one wrap-up. Navigating the role of global banks in custody and security. Ooh, 2:05 to 2:35 p.m., day 2 of Swell Miami. It's a session to be announced. So, like, that session is not announced yet of, like, what they're going to talk about in there. It'll probably just be some random discussion thing. But that's, like, there's only one section. So, of the whole Swell agenda... Yo! My man Chris with the channel membership. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. Thank you for, dude, joining the membership army, brother. Yeah, you're going to get a nice little badge next to your name, and then now you can use a bunch of emotes, too. All right, so 2 of my biggest things for the Swell agenda is, like, the ETF section, which has CME Group, Senior ETF Analyst, Bloomberg, and Bitwise Asset Management, like, Chief Executive Officer. But then they also have, so of this whole agenda here, they have there's only one thing that's to be announced, session to be announced. Or no, there's a second one. There's also another one. The morning keynote is to be announced. So they don't, okay, so session to be announced. Kind of like they can't make it public yet what the session is about. Dude. Ripple talking about crypto ETFs at Swell with the CME Group and Bloomberg. Dude, they, like, I don't know. It kind of pisses me off, dude. Ripple knows, like, so much stuff that they can't publicly speak about. It's like, God, you just know, like, dude, if you were to like to telepathically communicate to Brad and like get as much information as you could out of him by just the thoughts in his head, bro. Like the amount of shit Ripple like knows is coming and things that are in the pipeline that are gonna end up being a thing that they can't say anything about, dude. You know how many of those there are. God, dude. How is XRP stuck this hard, LMAO? It's the 60-cent iron wall, bro. It's just, this level has always been incredibly hard to break. Rudy Poo all-time high again with gold. I mean, typically if gold is hitting all-time high, that's not necessarily a good thing, because that means like the global economy is like going down the drain, right? Like when the economy's doing good, like gold doesn't do anything, but it's like it goes up when, yeah, gold ripping all-time high, like just again, Rudy put, yeah, that's, I mean, I don't know. It's not, I don't know. I've always known that like if gold is ripping, that's not like, that doesn't mean like there's good things going on in the world right now, you know? What's up, digital asset ancestors? What other coins do you recommend apart from Bankers ISO coins, please? One other coin genre I am speculating about is all the OG privacy coins. I feel like those are gonna have a heyday in the future with increased like regulatory crackdown on crypto, because I think governments around the world will embrace blockchain technology for sure, but they're not going to embrace the privacy chains, and that's going to be something that they're against. So if you have like a big global operation against like privacy coins, I feel like that'd be bullish, dude, because that would be like the last surviving area of financial privacy. I've been telling you guys for a while now that I do want to accumulate some Monero, because that's the biggest privacy coin that exists right now. And yeah, like the IRS put out like a $625,000 bounty on anyone who could crack like Monero's code. No one ever did it because it's elliptic curve cryptography, the SHA-256. Or I don't think it's exactly SHA-256. It's like they got their own RandomX algorithm. But yeah, Dash. I'm just telling you, bro. Those OG coins from back in the day, that are all privacy, like the Dash, Monero. I think even Zcash is a privacy coin, and all of those coins are still mineable. Like they're mineable coins. So it's on the OG proof of work. They're private. I think at some point in the future you will see a kind of a popularity rise up from that, because all it takes, it's like, let's say one day European Union comes out and they're just like, no, these privacy coins, no, we are tracking all your crypto transactions. We're going to go after everything. Then all of a sudden these privacy coins are going to be fucking going up like crazy because people are going to be rushing into them. Yeah, I just kind of feel like privacy coins will have, I mean, they're just boring, simple coins. They only do one thing, and that's just everything is private on there. How much crypto you have, how much you transferred, who you transferred it to, who you received it from. It's all just nothing. No one can track it. So that's my only like conviction coins I'd really recommend. Like the coins with like utility, right? Because think about it, the like all the dark web, like drug markets and stuff. I mean, those are not Bitcoin anymore. They used to be, because people thought Bitcoin was private, just because no one really knew what it was. It's not private anymore because a lot of people know about it, and there's all these like websites to search the blockchain. But yeah, like all the dark web shit, it's all like on Monero and Dash, Zcash, stuff like that. Any stable privacy coin? I don't know. They don't do stable coins. But yeah, you got just Monero, Dash, Zcash. Those are the only other coins in the market that I do think have a long-lasting, long-term value proposition, because they're just boring, simple. They do one thing and they do one thing very well. That's privacy. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you guys like, Shiba Inu, Doge. Like, no, buy something that's got some, has something to it. Has like a claim to fame. It's always gonna do something. It's always gonna bring a value to the market. But again, I mean, if I go to my convenient little regulated Coinbase app, and I want to buy some Monero, I do not think it's on here. Yeah, Monero is not tradable on Coinbase. Yeah. Monero Classic. What the fuck is this? Private coin until you want to cash out. Yeah, but I mean, dude, you do have these like decentralized exchanges where you can, swap your Monero liquidity into other things, and then, Yes, that's like only genuinely the only other thing I'd recommend you guys to look into as like a long-term hodl is privacy coins. That's because that's a really, really niche part of the market that doesn't get a lot of attention, but it's always been there. And I think Monero's got like a super Monero's got like a really low circulating supply as well. Yeah, I mean, it was a $3 billion market cap token. Oh my God, dude, Monero is tradable on Kraken? No way. Yo, you can get Monero on Kraken, bro. Based Kraken, dude. That is not gonna stay on there forever. They're gonna be forced to remove that. What's Monero's ticker? It's XMR. It's XMR. 18 million supply. Max supply is infinity, but that's just based on the block rewards that are distributed for, what like mining is, the block rewards. So it's like a very, very consistent, like predictable supply outcome. Digital asset ancestor. Do you sometimes get paranoid because you think all of your XRP are gone from the ledger? I have never logged back in since my transfer my shit. Paranoia is real, my G. When I first did it, probably yeah, but I don't check anymore. Addison Flash, can I store Monero on a Ledger Nano? Dude, I'm quite positive you can. Dude, the privacy coin on a private wallet, dude. No one's ever gonna know that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. Like effectively every coin in existence can be put on a if not a Nano, then a private wallet, but probably even on the Nano too. Do you also think the XRP FUD from Raoul Paul saying get out of the Dino coin cult was not sincere and he has an ulterior motive? I don't know. Yeah, because Raoul Paul was like, "Oh, don't buy these old coins." But Raoul Paul's like a Bitcoin bull, so I mean, that's an old coin. Oh, dinosaur coins. Oh, what? Yeah. Oh, what? You think fucking 10 years is a long time for investing, dude? No, the dinosaur coin. Yeah, no, yeah. He might have an ulterior motive with that. You never know. I mean, if he's a key opinion leader, I mean, yeah, you have ulterior motives for sure. Yeah, Raoul Paul looking to pump his Sui bags for exit liquidity. I've heard about that lately. What is Sui coin? SUI. Number 25, $4 billion market cap. $1.50 right now. So this coin has like always been $1.50. The lowest it got to was 40 cents. It came out at $1.40. Recently was 50, went back to 150. I mean, what even is this? Is this a layer 1? Max supply 10 billion, circulating 2.6 billion. SUI network? What even is this? Build beyond. SUI delivers the benefits of Web 3 with the ease of Web 2. Oh my god, 300,000 transactions per second. Smart contract programming language. Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, Chris. Oh my god. With the 200. Holy shit, brother. All right, Chris, I'm giving you mod status, dude. I'm giving you mod status, dude. Holy shit, bro. Okay. Oh my god, fellas, smash the likes on his super chat, man. Holy shit. Okay, so Chris is saying, okay, so Streamlabs didn't read it out because I think there's maybe a bad word in here. So he says, okay. So it seems like Chris has a genuine question here. So I have a little anxiety about the cheese stick owner of the ledger and all his rings on his finger. I bought Descent wallets at XDC Foundation in Houston. He was smoking outside and gave me 2. Fuck, these cold storage may all be shady, LOL. Okay. Yo, wait, what? Yo. Hold up. So you're not, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, brother. So, okay, yeah, so Chris, the thing is with Ledger, there was a couple of controversies that came up in the last couple of years which made people kind of really turn against Ledger. One of the things was because I've talked about this before with the dilemma of a hardware wallet company is like 95% of your customer base, they buy one hardware wallet from you one time and you're never a recurring customer ever again. So they have this kind of dilemma where it's like, there's only so many people. I mean, yeah, there's going to be people that come to your website and buy hardware wallets and stuff, but it's just, you're never getting a recurring customer. Like, Apple with iPhone, Nike, Adidas, like, airlines companies, like they have like customers that are recurring business. But with these hardware wallets, it's kind of a dilemma where it's like, I mean, yeah, you can get a big kind of name for yourself and you get new people coming into crypto that will buy your hardware wallet. But like 95% of the time, dude, you're never going to get recurring customers. Like they buy from you one time and that's it. So what Ledger did was they came out with this new like subscription program of like, hey, we'll take up your private key and we're going to divide it up into thirds and then give it to 3 financial institutions to hold for you. And people got fucking pissed about that. They got really pissed about that. So there has been a lot of pushback from the community on Ledger specifically. I mean, dude, I've been like supporting them and like affiliate links and stuff since I first started the channel. Just because that's what I use and it works well and just, good wallet for me. But yeah, they've had like some kind of controversy recently, But then I bought Descent wallets at XDC Foundation in Houston. He was smoking outside and gave me 2. Fuck, these cold storage may all be shady. I mean, the Descent wallet, I don't know anything about them, but from what I've heard, they're just a legit hardware wallet. Chris then follows up with the actual guy from Korea that works for Descent. It's just funny. And then Babs is saying, isn't Ledger a French company? Please don't trust the French. I mean, I don't know. People are very I mean, crypto is already like a tribalism kind of place. But there's also people that are tribalism with like the hardware wallets, like which one's the best? Because there's like Trezor, Ledger, Descent, and it's like, dude, they're all like legit wallets. But yeah, from what I've heard, man, I mean, it's like, dude, if you get a hardware wallet and you generate the private key within like the software in the application and the firmware connected to your device, I mean, you're the only one that's got the private key, right? Now, but oh my God, Chris, there was another thing, bro. There's another thing I got to tell you about. So Ledger had another controversy where they have like a section for like third-party applications that you can use. But again, they're third-party applications. So whatever you're downloading or using is not Ledger, but Ledger's like showing that, hey, like you can use this stuff if you want to. And there was like a third-party application that was malicious and fucking swiped wallets and shit. So that's why, dude, I do not like these hardware wallets where they have like features. It's like, oh, it's touchscreen, and oh, it's got a little Bluetooth connectivity, and you can connect it to your app, and you can do decentralized swaps with your crypto. And it's like, I don't want my wallet to have features. So it's like any of the features that the Ledger application offers, I'm just like, go fuck yourself. I'm not doing swaps. I'm not doing, lending and loans with your application. But again, it's the thing that, because with these hardware wallet companies, you get people buying from you one time. So they're trying to integrate other ways where they can get like kind of consistent revenue from their users. But it's like, no, dude. Like, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. It's like, oh, you can connect your Ledger to your phone with Bluetooth. And it's like, oh yeah, I can imagine, I take my fucking phone to some crypto conference, and there's some fucking hacker dude with like one of those little devices that can like, ping electronics, and they can fucking get some Bluetooth information. It's just, I don't know. It's just too much. It's just too much. You know what I'm saying? So these hardware wallet companies, they always try to bring out like new and awesome features. And it's just like, no, dude, no. It's going to hold my crypto. My crypto is going to stay there. And that's all I'm going to do with it. Nothing else. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, dude, Chris, don't even trip about it, bro. Yeah. I don't know. People really, really hate Ledger right now. But dude, I wouldn't say it's shady. It's just if you're in the software and you're using these like third-party network swapping stuff, and you click on a wrong thing, and then some scanner on the blockchain, they can scan like a transaction's about to happen. They send you like a duplicate transaction. You like click on the wrong one, and then like that was the malicious one. There is ways like you can fuck up. But yeah, you're fine, dude. You're fine. I haven't had any like hardware wallet anxiety for like a long time. Like when I first did it, yeah, I was like checking it daily, but after a while, dude, it's all elliptic curve 256. Someone wanted to crack into your wallet and guess what your private key was, bro. It would take like, oh my God, it would take a NASA computer like 7,000 years to figure. I mean, it's just something crazy. And then there comes a point. So like the vast majority of crypto is like elliptic curve cryptography, which is like incredibly difficult for computers to try to reverse engineer. Like it's like a graph of elliptic curve, and it just like goes like this, and it's like figuring out anything and trying to find any patterns. It's just like impossible. A computer can't like run it back this way. I mean, they can run it like this way, which is generating your wallet address and private key, but it's like going back this way. It's like impossible. But then there comes a point where it's like how, with NVIDIA, Intel, all these tech companies making better and better stuff, at what point would 256, encryption going to have to turn into 512 encryption and make it even a bigger ocean of numbers? So there's even a Satoshi puzzle right now. And it has like $400,000 of Bitcoin in it. And the hexadecimal range of the private key is known. There's like a really, really small range of hexadecimal private keys. And it's like at the beginning of the elliptic curve, like a really small area to find. And then it's like even crunched down where people know what number the private key starts with. And it's like, it's only like maybe 10, 11 hex characters long. And it's like people have been trying to crack that for like a year, and it's just no one can get to it, even now. Chris has Pascal Garther ledger, and he has rings on his fingers. That's all I'm saying. I know some mobsters. So basically, Chris, you're saying you don't trust the French. Okay, wait. You're talking about the main guy at Ledger? Like what? Ledger CEO? Pascal Garther? I mean, he does have a ring on every single finger. I mean, geez. Like, I don't know. This guy doesn't even, like, look French to me. I mean, dude, he damn near has a ring on every single finger when he goes and speaks publicly. That's, it's a little much, dude. It's a little much. Oh, daily close in 5 minutes. Yes, your asset is safe even if they go bankrupt in the blockchain. I mean, yeah, if the Ledger company goes bust, it literally doesn't matter. The latest like software is going to be out there. The latest firmware, it's all going to be out there. It's like, yeah, we don't, as a Ledger hard wallet user. I mean, you don't care if Ledger goes bankrupt. Like, you literally do not care. Ah, Stavros Basilius. Yeah, you're right. A wallet doesn't store coins. They store keys. If you have a physical copy, then you can use any wallets. If you use a cold wallet with an internet connection and apps, you may as well have it on a hot wallet app. Better still, leave it on exchange or exchanges. Right. Yeah, because so that's kind of a misconception. I mean, because it's like, oh, well, I'm going to send my crypto to my ledger. Well, it's like, yeah, yes, but no. Your coins are always on the blockchain. The ledger is just the key. That's it. The coins are technically always online, if you think about it. They're always within the blockchain. Yeah, wallets that connect to Wi-Fi are so dumb. Yeah. So like Stavros is saying, like if you use a cold wallet with internet connection and all these like third-party applications, it's like, well, then it's just, now it's a hot wallet all of a sudden. But, I mean, yeah, hot, cold wallet, same shit, really. Well, I mean, if you start, using the hot wallet features that they offer to you, then I mean, yeah. But I mean, to move any crypto ever, that key's got to be USB plugged in. The key's got to be plugged in, and you got to type in the PIN code and click confirm, right? Yeah, I've been using Ledger Nano X for 5 years, no issues, exactly. But yeah, I'm not a fan of Bluetooth hardware wallets. If Ledger goes bankrupt, your coins go with it. No, they don't. No, bro, it's okay. No, if you have crypto on FTX and FTX goes bankrupt, okay, yeah. And even then, people are still they're going to start getting paid back their money in a couple weeks. But nah, this guy's like, if Ledger goes bankrupt, your coins go with it. No, it does not. No. I've been hesitating from moving my SHX off of and Velo off of Lobster Wallet. I mean, hot wallets are relatively still safe. They're still fine. But it's just if you're holding like, a significant portion of your net worth, it's like you're just might as well spend the $70 to go offline, you know? Only risk is when you have a ledger, when ledger goes bankrupt and you cannot replace the ledger if yours goes bust. I mean, that's the duty of the user to have a backup ledger just in case. But even then, that private seed, because it's a BIP 39 mnemonic 24-word code, that can be put into like any wallet. You could take that and load it into a hot wallet. You know, like, so you're not, once you have your device and your wallet set up and like your private key generated and securing it yourself, whatever happens to them, I mean, SEC probe investigation, Federal Bureau of Investigations, lock everything down, arrest all the executive. I mean, it doesn't matter to you. I only remember that one chick on YouTube who claimed to be hacked in Ledger. She bought it from third-party site SMH. Offline wallets don't get hacked. They get socially engineered. That's what happens. So yeah, if you buy, you know, an eBay hardware wallet and you get it and they already have the words printed out for you and you load your coins into a private key that's not yours, then there you go. You know, it's not the blockchain's fault. It's not the hardware wallet's fault. You just got socially engineered. So you got to take extra steps and just really be careful. Because remember, bro, this is crypto. There is scammers left and right and center, just everywhere. So you just got to, you know, take precaution. He's like, oh, Brad Garlinghouse has messaged me. He wants to give me 10 million XRP or 10,000 XRP. But he wants 5,000 from me first. Maybe don't give it to him, you know. Chris, so much FUD lately. Oh, God. When Chris Larson came out and endorsed Kamala, bro. Oh, my God. The XRP community was in a shit show for like a whole day, man. It's like, what? No, Chris Larson, Kamala? I'm selling my XRP. It's like, guys, he's a liberal billionaire. Come on. What do you think? He's in the system, bro. That's how we get up there with those high-level organizations. That's how we get there with IMF, World Economic Forum. You gotta be in that system. All right. Babs, no offense. I wouldn't trust anyone here with my crypto holdings, not even my dog. I would trust Babs with my crypto. Like, if I had to send Babs all my XRP and then say, like, hey, Babs, can you send it back to me in, like, a couple weeks when I get my shit figured out? I would trust Babs. How do you get your coins back off a blockchain? I mean, what, if you lose the private key, they're just gone? Because, you know, there's all those, like, dormant Bitcoin wallets, that just they have like millions of dollars in them and just the private key is just gone. No one can get it. Babs gone mad. God. Now, one time, a long time ago, like someone in the stream did reach out to me and they did want me to hold a certain amount of unspecified coins for like a little bit, and then yeah, there was a time where like one of you guys like really trusted me with a lot of coins one time, like way back in the day. not gonna say who or how much coins, but I mean, it was like, you're gonna trust me with this, dude? Like, all right. But yeah, then just sent it back. Bab says, I just have trust issues with people. Money does wild things with people. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, money, I don't know. Money doesn't really change people. It just kind of makes them show their true colors. You know? Yeah, because they're like, oh, like the lottery winners, like, oh no, you changed. It's like, no, you're just showing who you really are. Really brings out who a person is when they get access to a lot of money. Money's like an amplifier. Exactly. Exactly. What are we dropping off the daily close? What is this? Good God. What's going on here? Go to some minute charts. Money and alcohol? Yeah. You worried about sudden wealth syndrome? I'm not worried about it. I am wanting it to happen to me. I would love to suddenly come on a lot of wealth. That's what we're all trying to do. But yeah, sudden wealth syndrome, that's a real thing. But sudden wealth syndrome is like, that's for like totally like unexpected, like you get a lot of money. That's for like, you never like, what the fuck, like how do I have this, you know? But like with XRP, it's like we've been stacking on this thing, we've been holding this thing, accumulating on dips, and we're kind of expecting like, you know, an expansion to happen. So I don't think it's going to happen to many of us. But yeah, sudden wealth syndrome, I mean, that's like sudden. That's like, boom, like freaking, just something happens where you have all this money like to your name now. That's typically who it happens to. Like lottery winners, when family members die from an estate, who it goes to, you know. But it's gotta be like unknown. Basically lottery winners, because they never expected to win. It's like, oh yeah, dollar, okay, whatever. Oh, sir, you're entitled to $700 million before taxes. And it's like, those people usually go broke because they have no idea what to do with it. Yeah, right, Babs. Yeah, if we waited 7 years, does it count as sudden? No. So we're not gonna have problems. You know, when XRP tail end of cycle, double digit run. I mean, we're not gonna have like oh my god, I have so much money, I'm so scared. Oh, what do I do? Like, no, bro, we've been fucking banking on that. We've been waiting for this, like that to happen. Like, it's not sudden. I mean, the price I think will sudden, you know, kind of. But I mean, we've been like, it's not. So we're not sudden wealth syndrome. We might get some like a delayed increase of transfer of wealth syndrome. I don't know, bro. Well, not right now with XRP fucking dropping after daily close. The fuck is this? The fuck is this? Gold is pumping. Sorry, Google. I meant XAU is pumping. Oh my god, 26.22. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so gold today just made a new all-time high of 26.24. Oh. All right, fellas. I'm going to call that a stream for today. I thought we were going to get some like post-daily close pump, but you know, we're heading into the weekend. It's Friday. Hope you guys all enjoy your weekend. I will be back again tomorrow. Streams, videos. We're back daily. I am not taking being monetized for granted. I'm going to be streaming videos every single day, man. There's always stuff to talk about. Always stuff to do, you know. So hope you guys have a good weekend. Yeah, dude, enjoy the Friday. New week next week, getting into October. Let Bitcoin do its thing right below all-time high ranges. Just kind of let it cook a little bit. Get that price discovery. Get this whole market surging. Post-block word having. Got election season coming up. Donnie T gets in. He starts becoming a Bitcoin bull. Dude, I mean, you know, we got some really, really good times ahead of us, you know. We got a lot of good things going on where we could be right before that moment where we're just, boom. I mean, dude, Ripple Swell, they have an ETF panel for the first time talking about ETFs. I mean, dude, we're getting there, fellas. We're getting there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to set up this bed frame. I have to sweat for like 45 minutes getting this thing together. It's a nice bed frame, but good God, dude, there's like 90 million pieces and bolts to this thing. So I'm going to get this done. All right, fellas. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Again, Chris, thank you for the fucking massive 200 super chat, bro. Seriously awesome. We got you with mod status now on the channel. Wish we could do Burst Watch 24/7. I don't even know if that's the reason why I got banned. I don't know. But the Chimp Millionaire guy that also did the Burst Watch, he got his thing demonetized like solely because of that. So I don't know. I'm just kind of not doing Burst Watch anymore. But if you did miss the stream, you can watch back from the beginning. We're going to be archiving streams on the channel now. Anyways, fellas, I'll see you guys the next one. IKEA exercise. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I'm just going to get this bed frame set up. See how the new... Dude's gonna, oh my God, my room's going to like feel so much better with an actual like elevated mattress now. I can actually like kind of treat this monitor as a TV. I'm going to play some League after. Get something to eat, dude. All right, fellas. Good times ahead. I'll see you guys the next one, all right?